Today is the first day of your new life. Take a deep breath. I want you to feel the air fill your lungs. You are here. You have made it this far. The road behind you may be littered with unexpected turns, financial storms, and moments that tested your very core. Perhaps you look at your bank account and see a number that frightens you. Perhaps the word bankrupt or broke has become a heavy cloak you feel you are forced to wear. I am here to tell you that this is not the end of your story. It is in fact the beginning of a brand new, powerful chapter, one that you get to write, one keystroke at a time. You possess something more valuable than any stock portfolio or retirement fund. You have decades of life experience. You have wisdom etched into your soul from years of navigating challenges, celebrating triumphs, and simply living. This is your true wealth. It is an asset that no market crash can devalue and no bad investment can erase. It is the solid ground upon which you will now build your new future. Forget the notion that your age is a disadvantage. In the world we are about to explore together, your age is your superpower. This is your invitation to step into that world. Your journey to financial renewal and personal fulfillment begins right now. The word online might sound intimidating. You might picture complex code, fast-talking tech gurus, a world that seems to move at a dizzying speed. I want you to push that image aside. Think of the internet not as a complicated machine but as a massive, bustling city square. It is a place where people from all walks of life gather to share ideas, tell stories, buy goods, offer their services. There is a corner in this digital square just for you, a place where your voice can be heard and your skills can be valued. This digital frontier is incredibly democratic. It doesn't care about your age, your background, or how much money you have in your pocket right now. Success online is built on passion, consistency, and the ability to connect with other people. Do you have a passion for gardening? Have you mastered the art of baking the perfect sourdough bread? Did you navigate a difficult life transition and come out stronger on the other side? The opportunities are as vast and varied as human experience itself. Let's talk about what you need to get started. It's simpler than you think. You likely already have the most important tool, a connection to the internet. A basic laptop, or even a modern smartphone, is powerful enough to launch your new venture. The most important startup capital you have is your own determination to learn and grow, one small step at a time. This digital world is not something to be feared, it is a tool waiting for you to pick it up and build something wonderful. Have you ever felt that no one understands what you're going through? A dwindling savings account feeling invisible in a youth-obsessed world, the unique challenges of this stage of life. I guarantee millions feel the same. They're searching for someone who gets it. You can be that person. A YouTube channel is a powerful way to share your story, share your struggles, share your wisdom. It's like a conversation with friends over coffee from your living room. Starting is surprisingly simple. Your smartphone is a broadcast quality camera. Find a quiet corner, use good natural light. Prop your phone on books, press record. No fancy editing or studio needed. Speak from the heart. Talk about your day. Share a memory. Discuss a financial challenge and one small step you're taking. Authenticity is your greatest asset. People are tired of polished perfection. They crave honest connection. Your experienced, vulnerable voice is exactly what they want. Think of video topics. Starting over at 60, document your journey weekly. Life lessons from a broke senior. Wisdom on resilience and hope. 3 things I've learned about money the hard way. Be genuine, not dramatic. Sharing your story helps others feel less alone and empowers you. It turns struggles into strength and builds a supportive community. How does this make money? As views grow, YouTube lets you place ads on videos. You earn small amounts per view. With consistency, it can grow into meaningful income. Your story is valuable. It's time the world started paying to hear it. If the thought of being on camera makes you uneasy, perhaps the written word is your preferred medium. A blog is a wonderful way to create your own corner of the internet, a personal journal that you share with the world. Platforms like WordPress make it incredibly easy to start. With just a few clicks, you can have a professional-looking website ready for your first post. Think of it as your digital canvas, Paint pictures with your words, share your experiences, connect with readers who are on a similar path. Your life is a library of stories just waiting to be written. The process of writing can be profoundly therapeutic. Putting your thoughts and feelings into words helps to organize them and provides a sense of clarity and control. You can write about the emotional roller coaster of financial insecurity, the practical steps you're taking to find work, or the simple joys you discover each day. A blog about your experiences as a senior starting over can become a lifeline for others. Imagine someone, awake at 3 a.m. and worried about their future, finding your blog and realizing they are not alone. Your words can provide immense comfort and inspiration. Just like with a YouTube channel, your blog can become a source of income. Once you have a steady stream of readers, you can place ads on your site through services like Google AdSense. You can also engage in affiliate marketing, recommend products or services you genuinely use and love, like a helpful budgeting app or a good book on reinvention, and earn a small commission when a reader makes a purchase through your unique link. It's a way to monetize your influence and recommendations in an honest and helpful manner, providing value to your readers while building your income. This transforms your blog from a monologue into a vibrant community dialogue. Your blog becomes more than just a website. It becomes a meeting place for kindred spirits, a testament to resilience, and a powerful engine for your financial and personal rebirth. Take a look around your home. That collection of porcelain teacups from your grandmother, the funky mid-century lamp in the guest room, the stack of vintage vinyl records in the basement, or the classic leather handbag you haven't used in years. These are not just old items, they are treasures with stories. And there is a massive online marketplace called Etsy, filled with people who are passionate about finding and cherishing these very things. Starting an Etsy shop to sell vintage items is a fantastic way to turn clutter into cash. Build a fun, engaging business from your own home. The process begins with a treasure hunt in your own space. Look for items that are typically 20 years or older. Think about quality craftsmanship. Think about unique designs. Think about things that evoke a sense of nostalgia. You might be surprised at what you find. Once you have a small collection of items, the next step is to present them beautifully. You don't need a photo studio, a clean, plain background, like a white sheet or a simple wall. Good natural light from a window. Your smartphone camera is all you need. Take pictures from multiple angles to show every detail of the item. Creating your Etsy shop is a straightforward, step-by-step process on their website. The most important part is writing your product descriptions. This is where your life experience shines. Don't just list the item's dimensions, tell its story. Where did it come from? What do you imagine its history was? Use descriptive, evocative language. For example, instead of old brown purse, write vintage 1970s tooled leather saddlebag with bohemian flair. Your descriptions add value and create an emotional connection with potential buyers. As you grow, you can even start sourcing new inventory from local thrift stores, flea markets, and estate sales, turning your good eye for vintage finds into a steady, enjoyable, and profitable business venture. Throughout your life and career, you have accumulated a vast portfolio of skills. You might not think of them as marketable, but they are incredibly valuable. They can become income online. Have you spent years managing an office? Administrative skills? Organizational skills? Were you the go-to person for proofreading? Editing skills? Proofreading experience with newsletters? Proofreading experience with reports? Did you run a household budget for decades? Financial management skills? Freelancing platforms connect you to clients worldwide. Upwork, Fiverr. Create a compelling profile, your digital resume. Sign up on a platform and start building your profile. Be confident and specific in your description. Example, headline, experienced administrative professional, scheduling, document management, client communication. Upload a warm professional photo. Your age and experience are assets, not liabilities. They show reliability, wisdom, deep knowledge. Many businesses want seasoned pros who need minimal hand-holding. What kind of work can you do? Blog writer, editor, proofreader, remote customer support, virtual assistant, voiceover work, transcription. Search the platforms for jobs you can do. Goal: land that first project, even if it's small. Freelancing gives flexibility. Choose the projects you want, set your own hours, be your own boss. Turn lifetime skills into reliable, empowering income. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The idea of launching an online business can feel overwhelming, so we're going to break it down into a simple 7-day plan. The goal for this first week is not to make a fortune, but to take concrete actions that build momentum and confidence. It's about proving to yourself that you can do this. Each small task you complete is a victory, a stepping stone on your path to a new future. We are going to focus on progress, not perfection. Ready? Let's begin your first week. On day 1, your task is to choose your path. The YouTube storyteller, the heartfelt blogger, the vintage treasure hunter, the skilled freelancer. Which one sparks the most joy? Which one feels like the most natural fit for your personality and skills? Don't overthink it. Trust your gut instinct. Once you've made a choice, write it down on a piece of paper and put it where you can see it. My new venture is a YouTube channel. This simple act of declaration is a powerful first step. On days 2 and 3, you will focus on research and setup. Watch similar YouTube channels, read blogs in your chosen niche, see what others are doing. Sign up for YouTube, create your WordPress blog. Don't worry about making it perfect yet, just get the basic framework in place. If you chose Etsy, gather your first 5 items to sell. Take photos of them, create your profile on Upwork, create your profile on Fiverr, just fill out the basic information. On days 4, 5, and 6, you will take your first creative action. For the YouTuber, record your very first video. It can be a simple 1-minute introduction. For the blogger, write and publish your first blog post. For the Etsy seller, create the listings for your 5 items. For the freelancer, apply for your first 3 jobs, even if they seem small. The goal here is to break the seal, to move from planning to doing. It will not be perfect. That is okay. The act of creation is what matters. You have now officially put yourself out there. Day 7 is for reflection and planning. Look back at what you accomplished. You are now an online entrepreneur. As you embark on this exciting new digital chapter, it is absolutely essential that we talk about your most important asset, you. Your health, both mental and physical, is the bedrock upon which all your future success will be built. The allure of working from home is its flexibility, but it can also lead to blurred lines between work and rest. It can be tempting to spend hours hunched over a laptop, fueled by coffee and anxiety. We must actively resist this. Schedule breaks into your day just as you would schedule a meeting. Set a timer to get up every hour to stretch, walk around the house, or step outside for a breath of fresh air. Your body was not designed to be sedentary. Simple movement lubricates your joints, improves circulation, and clears your mind. Make a conscious effort to drink plenty of water throughout the day and to eat nourishing meals. It doesn't have to be complicated. Your mental and emotional health are equally vital. The journey of starting over can bring moments of self-doubt and frustration. It is crucial to have practices that ground you. This could be a few minutes of quiet meditation in the morning, journaling about your fears and hopes before you start your work, or listening to uplifting music. Stay connected with friends and family. A phone call with a loved one can be a powerful antidote to the isolation that can sometimes accompany online work. Remember to celebrate your small wins. Did you get your first YouTube subscriber? Did you sell your first item on Etsy? Acknowledge it, savor it. Finally, protect your sleep. A good night's rest is when your body and brain repair and recharge. We have come to the end of this guide, but we are at the very beginning of your incredible new journey. Look back at the person who started reading this essay. They may have been feeling lost, overwhelmed, and perhaps a little hopeless. I hope that person now sees a clear path forward, a glimmer of light where there was once only darkness. The ideas and steps we have discussed are not just theories. They are practical, achievable actions that can fundamentally change your life, starting today. The power to rebuild is, and always has been, within you. Remember that this path is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be moments when technology frustrates you. In those moments, I want you to recall why you started. You started for your independence, for your dignity, and for the chance to write a final chapter that is defined by courage, creativity, and resilience. Every small step, every new skill learned, every dollar earned is a testament to your unbreakable spirit. It is never, ever too late to begin again. The world is waiting to hear your voice, to see your creations, and to learn from your wisdom. Your journey has just begun. Go forward with hope in your heart.